Hey my PU2 aspirants, I know your physics exam really went well, and yes, let's hope that same feelings should be going on for your chemistry examination as well. So yes, today I am going to present the toppers answer sheet in front of you, and you will get the idea how actually you should present your paper in front of the examiner, so that the presentation also it matters whenever you are about to get 70 out of 70. So yes, let's get started. So here, this is the front page. You can see, make sure you are writing the proper registration number, roll number, everything, the subject code, everything you are writing properly. Okay, and here this particular zone is for the marking. Okay, so you can see some circling, some marks are circling, right? So this indicates that this particular student has written something extra. Okay, so they will not be counted here. Sorry, so these marks will not be counted here. Okay, so in case you are not getting full marks, then they will count the this marks as a like to give you the complete 70 marks. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the first paper. So this is the first page. You can see, once you just open the booklet, so you can start writing the part A MCQ. Okay, so make sure you are writing all the MCQ at a time. Okay, in case you don't know, then leave the space for it. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you, make sure you are writing the option number if it is A, B, C, and the entire option as well. Okay, so give the question number. First, the section number. What is section A? Definitely it's a fill in the blanks type of or MCQ part A. Then question number. Then make sure you are giving the option number, and then you write the entire correct option. Okay, this is the correct way to approach the MCQ problems. Okay, so this is how you should go ahead. Okay, next you can see, this is the next page. Here you can see, at a time that person has written all the MCQ and fill in the blanks. You can see this is a fill in the blanks portion. Okay, so if you don't know, then keep the space empty. Okay, and make sure you are keeping 30 minutes time properly for this particular section. Okay, next you go ahead with the part B. Okay, here from here 2 marker questions are going to be started. So let me tell you, my dear, don't mess up. Okay, so once you are doing once you are just done with this portion, then part B, part C, part D, go section wise. Don't mess up. Don't write part D initially, after that part C, like that. Randomization you are doing, right? Don't do it. Okay, part B you write. Okay, so the number of question, you can see the way that person wrote, it is also proper. Okay, so by that time, if you can impress the examiner, that also matters how much marks he or she will give you. Okay, so yeah, so this is the way, like neatly you represent in between two questions. In between two questions, give proper gap, 1 or 2 line gap. You can see this is 21 question, that person has given 2 line gaps, right? Then that person has started the next one. Okay, so please maintain proper gap. Okay, so this is how you should go ahead. Then you can see this particular person has written 2 extra question. So extra question you can attempt at the last or in the same group itself. Don't write it randomly. Do not do this. Okay, so extra question, you can see that person has written neatly in the same portion. Okay, as this person already has secured the marks, that's why these two are correct, just taken as extra. Okay, but let's say here this particular question I got 1 mark. Okay, I got 1 mark, suppose. Okay, then here you got full 2 mark. Okay, then the examiner will consider this one, not that one. So that 1 mark wala question will be taken as extra. Okay, so that's the benefits of writing extra question. Okay, so what I said, extra question whenever you are writing, make sure you are writing either in the same group or after writing everything. There also you have to mention the group name. Okay, so I guess it's okay. Next you can see again part C, part B and part C. The differentiation should be there. Okay, you can see that person has drawn a proper line. And yeah, one important thing, that make sure that you are making this particular margin. Okay, one border line should be there. It makes the entire look of the paper at a different level. Okay, so I guess you understood. Okay, try to write point wise. Okay, and keep enough gap in between two questions. You can just like put a border as well. Okay, and in case you are having like you are not satisfied with the answer, just don't randomly scribble on it. Okay, just give a single strike and box it. Okay, give a single strike and box it. That's it. Okay, so that will be more than enough. Don't randomly scribble or overwrite the things. Okay, you can see how neatly she represented the entire thing. Okay, so make sure don't scribble and don't overwrite. Okay, I guess this is clear. So as you can see, this is my part C. So part C portion is also done. Here you can see, whenever this differentiation type of question will come, make sure you are just making a like line in between and you are writing both the side like that. Okay, so yeah, you can, for this type of question, for whenever you are just representing the isomers, so for those particular cases, yes, you can use pencil or you can pen, that's not a problem. Okay, but make sure that the pen you are started writing, if it is a blue ink or particular pen, then you are ending your examination with the same pen only. Don't change your ink in between. Okay, and here you can see again, this is the extra question. Okay, so what he or she has done is the extra question that person has written in between. Okay, in between in the sense in the same group itself. So you can do it at last, it's your choice, but I also always suggest that you write it in the same group. Okay, so yeah, then you can see the derivation, everything is written properly, neatly. Yes, this is the simple hydrogen electrode, sorry, standard hydrogen electrode, you can see. So the diagram is also like drawn completely neatly, main importantly, and the thing is you can use a pen as well here. Okay, so any kind of mechanism whenever you are writing, that also you can use a pen. Okay, so this is how you should go ahead, like that. Okay, and then finally you can come up with the part E. So here part E, whenever you are writing, you can see this 1 mark is for the formula writing. Then the way she represented, you can see the given values are written here, right? Next the formula, okay, that ensure 1 mark. Then proper substitution, okay, that also another 1 mark. And you can see finally whenever she is representing the answer, that is also the unit is also there. Okay, that ensures the full 3 marks. Okay, and you can see the whenever that person is like doing some mistake, okay, it's not very it's also very cleanly that person has like gave a small strike. Okay, so you do the same thing there as well. Okay, so the same way you should go ahead with the rest of the things. Okay, so then again you can see these are the extra question. Okay, so yes, that's it. Okay, here are also some extra question that particular person has written. You can see, you can just mention the number, I mean the part number, which from the which section you are writing, that particular portion you can just mention, and you can go ahead with the extra question as well. Okay, so just make sure that at the end you are signing properly. Okay, it's very much important. So yeah, that's it, that's all about the final paper representation. Make sure that you are confident enough while writing it. Okay, so you will be given a thick, very thick booklet at the very beginning of the examination, and you will not need any extra pages. Trust me, that's enough, that's more than enough to complete the entire thing. Okay, so make sure that you are finishing it up over there, and you are writing section wise properly. Okay, don't mess up here and there. Give proper number to a question and try to impress the examiner by representing it neatly. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the toppers answer sheet. So yes, it can be of yours in the next year. So yeah, be prepared. Whatever the strategy I have told you, follow them. You will also get 70 out of 70. Thank you so much.